Hello students, today we discuss unit system. In the last session, we discussed what is a unit and the different types of unit, that is fundamental units and derived units for the measurement of physical quantities. In order to measure all physical quantities, we are usually using a set of fundamental and derived units. Such a sets of fundamental units and derived unit for the measurement of all physical quantities are known as a system of unit. A system of unit, let us see the definition, a complete set of units which is used to measure all kinds of fundamental and derived quantities is called a system of unit. It consists of all fundamental and derived unit is known as a system of unit. Let us see some of the familiar system which was in use in earlier time. One is CGS system. It is a French system of unit for the measurement of length. In this system, we are using centimeter. For the measurement of length, we are using centimeter. And for the measurement of mass, we are using gram. And for the measurement of time in that system, second is used. CGS system. C centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. Other than this unit, we have all other fundamental units are there. But for the measurement of length, centimeter, for the measurement of mass, gram, and for the measurement of time, second. It's a French system. Now, the second system is FPS system. FPS system. It is a British system. It is also known as British engineering system. F stands for foot. For the measurement of length in that system, foot is used. And P stands for pound. For the measurement of mass, pound is using in that system. S for second. For the measurement of time, the second is used. And in MKS system, it is also a French system. For the measurement of mass, kilogram is used. For the measurement of length, meter is using. And for the measurement of time, the second is used. Now let us see another system of unit, SI system of unit. After the 11th General Conference of Weights and Measures, one of the system adopted for the measurement of all physical quantities in all branches of science is SI system in 1960 after the 11th General Conference of Weights and Measures. So, while you are studying the physics in the 11th and 12th classes, we are supposed to use only the SI system for all calculation. In our NCERT textbook also, we are using most of the physical quantities should be expressed in SI system. Now let us see what is an SI system in detail. You know that in physics there are 7 fundamental quantities. So to express all these 7 fundamental quantities, we have 7 fundamental units in SI system. Let us see what are the fundamental units in SI system. For the measurement of length, meter is using. And the symbol for the meter is small letter M. And for the measurement of mass, kilogram is using symbol kg, capital K, small letter G. For the measurement of time, second, symbol small letter S. Temperature, Kelvin, symbol capital K. Luminous intensity, unit, candela, small letter C, D. Electric current, unit is ampere and the symbol is capital A. quantity of matter or amount of substance. Unit is mole, symbol is MOL, small letter MOL. Other than the 7 fundamental unit, we have 2 supplementary unit also. The supplementary units, one is plane angle. For the measurement of plane angle, the angle which is drawn in a plane, the plane angle, the unit is radian. The symbol is RAD, radian. And for the measurement of solid angle, that is in 3-dimensional angle, the steradian is the SI unit, steradian, SR. So these are the 7 fundamental unit in SI system, and 2 supplementary units are there. Other than this 7 plus 2 unit, we have many other derived unit also. Now let us see what are the advantages of SI unit system. We told you that after the General Conference of Weight and Measures in 1960 onwards, in all branches of science, for the measurement of quantities, we are using the SI unit. So let us see what are the advantages of SI system of unit. First advantage, the SI system is a coherent system of unit. It is a coherent system of unit. We told you that in physics there are 7 fundamental physical quantities. For the measurement of this 7 fundamental quantity, we have 7 fundamental units. So by using this 7 fundamental units, we can derive all other derived units by the simple multiplication or division of fundamental units. We can deduce or we can derive all other derived unit. So such system of unit is known as a coherent system of unit, and SI system is a coherent system of unit. All the derived units are simply produced by division or multiplication of our fundamental units. So system is a coherent system. SI system is a coherent system. The second advantage is the SI system is a rational system. The SI system is a rational system. The rational system means for measuring one physical quantity, we are using only one unit. For example, for the measurement of energy, whatever the type of energy, either mechanical energy or electrical energy or heat energy, we have a single unit, that is joule. But in MKS system, remember, in MKS system, for the measurement of mechanical energy, we are using joule. For the measurement of heat energy, we have another unit known as calorie. And for the measurement of electrical energy, we have watt hour, another unit, watt hour. Even all are energy, but in different forms. To measure all this energy, we have 3 units. So that's the problem of that unit. But in SI system, we have a single unit for the measurement of energy for all physical quantity. If it is the same type or same kind, we have a single unit. So the SI system is known as a rational system. Now, the third important point or advantage is the SI system is a metric system. Usually, in a system of unit, there should be smaller unit and a bigger unit for the measurement of same physical quantity. For example, we know that for the measurement of length, we can use centimeter, meter or kilometer. So, the SI system can be converted into other unit by simple multiplication or division by the powers of 10. You know that meter can be converted into centimeter just by multiplying by 10 raised to minus 2. Or meter can be converted into kilometer just multiplying by 10 raised to minus 3. So to convert the unit into any other unit, simple multiplication or division of powers of 10 is enough. So it is known as a metric system. SI system is a metric system. And the fourth point, it is internationally accepted system of unit. It is internationally accepted system of unit. Now let us see some of the guidelines for writing SI units in symbols. Usually we are using the symbols for SI unit. So while writing the symbols, what are the rules and the regulations? First rule is the small letters are used for the symbols of unit. Usually, most commonly, the small letters are using for the symbols of unit. For example, once you are writing the meter, we are using the small letter M, meter. Once you are writing the second, we are writing S, small letter S. Generally, the small letters are used for the symbol of unit. The second one, the symbols are not followed by full stop. After writing the symbols, we are not putting a full stop. The symbols are not followed by full stops. That is, after putting the second, don't put a full stop there. The third one, initial letter of a symbol is capital only when the unit is named after a scientist. We are familiar with some of the units like as Newton, Pascal, Hertz, etc. All these units are named after the scientist. So, while writing a unit, if it is a name of a scientist, the first letter usually we are writing a capital. Newton, only one letter is the capital N. If it is Pascal, capital P, small letter A. If it is Hertz, capital H, small letter Z. The first letter is only capital letter. And the fourth rule, the full name of a unit always begins with a small letter, even if it has been named after a scientist. Even the unit is a name of scientist, if it is writing in full name. If you are not using the simple, instead if you are writing the full name, even the first letter should start with a small letter. Ohm, for example, ohm, you know that unit of resistance is ohm. So we are starting with small letter. It's not capital letter, small letter, OHM. We have a symbol for ohm. This is simple. But if you are writing in full name, O. And joule, Joule, small letter Joule, unit of energy. Even the first letter is small letter, even it is a name of scientist. And the last one, the symbols do not take plural form. We cannot say joules, hertz, pascals. It does not take any plural form. That's all today. Thank you.